if you do have a good idea of, okay, it looks like we're probably going to do somewhere between maybe 100 and 300 juices a day. Okay, do I have enough storage for that, right? Wet storage, dry storage, cold storage, freezers, all of that. Or you're going to look at, okay, we're going to do 1,000 units a day. How much refrigeration do I need for that? How am I ordering things? What is my order volume going to be? And how am I going to store all of these things? A lot of times people have walk-in coolers. You might need a bigger walk-in cooler, right? So these things are always going to correlate themselves, and understand that the more simple, always as a principle, the better. And there are ways to design menus creatively so that it's easy on your inventory, intelligent for your ordering, but also gives the customer enough variety to make them feel like they are having enough options to choose from, and you can find enough for different people to come into your business and find something that's going to satisfy them. And so this is why really menu creation as a primary is such a profound art form. It's so important, it's so critical that you do this well, and you do this in consideration of all these elements that I'm talking about. If you guys do need support with that as well, we have a full-scale development agency. You can reach me at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. We can have that conversation.